I was just on the 405 and I got stuck in that stupid Trump rally and they fucking boxed me in and they're pointing at me and laughing at me saying ha ha, and literally I almost crashed because they wouldn't let me out. I was trying to go around it. And they were just being so violent. I could have crashed. I could have fucking crashed. It was so dangerous. And I just don't understand why that's the country that y'all are supposedly wanting right now. Really? That's what makes America great? That's fucked up. I could have fucking died right now. That was so fucking dangerous. Pointing at me and laughing at a Mexican. Oh, God, that was really fucking scary.
Ustedes ya saben que acá en Latinx Now les tenemos todos los news de absolutamente todos los artistas latinxers y los que no también.
That's right. Ozuna, Bad Bunny, Anuel, hasta Sofía Vergara makes an appearance every once in a while.
Quieren estar súper enterados de todos ellos y más. Ya saben, suscríbanse. That's it. Subscribe. Go now, por favor.
Bye.